Hey guys, it's Junior Cuber here with the Pyraminx tutorial. So, first thing you're going to want to do is mix up your cube. Let's give the corners a nice mix. Or, yeah, I guess your corners. Okay, so you have a nice mixed up cube like that. Then you're going to want to... Oh my goodness, why do I keep saying that? Gonna want to do. First thing you're gonna want to do is match up these corners to the yellow part, because we're gonna start on yellow. So match up that corner, and then you can match up this corner too. So that way. So if all the corners are matched up, then you're good. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is get this kind of hazard symbol. So you see, this is kind of half of a hazard symbol. So it's going to need to have the corners in place here. Let me just show you what it looks like. It's going to want to look like this. But what if you don't have that? What if all you have is this? Where's the other one? Oh, it's up there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to move the bottom. Or just, I guess you could just move the top that way too. I think the bottom's cooler though. So you move the bottom, and then you're just going to want to move these layers up, see? So you move that up, and then move that up. And then you have your little hazard symbol. Now there's all kinds of different scenarios for that. You just mess around with it. I mean, like, it's kind of one of those things that's kind of intuitive. So next thing you're going to want to do is get these pieces, well, in this case it's the blue and yellow piece, down here. Now I'm choosing yellow to do this. You don't have to do yellow, but it's a color I'm pretty familiar with on the 3x3, and I mean, like, it just seems better to do. So you're gonna take this and you're just going to bring it down like this. You're gonna bring the side it's on down. So on this, in this case, it's the left side. So left side down, R, L, R. And then it should go in. So basically what it does is it brings it in, moves it out of the way, brings it up, and then just puts it up. And so, let's see. There's actually another way to do this, which you can have this lined up like that, and then this might be easier for you guys. So you can have it like this, yellow facing you, move it that way, bring this up, put it in, and then just bring it down. So what this is basically doing is you're just bringing this up and putting it in. So it's way easier if you want to do it. So you just bring it up, slide it in, and put it in. And I got lucky. My whole thing was solved. But let me tell you some top scenarios. So this is what I like to call the right bar scenario. So the right bar scenario is where you have a right bar there, and then a right bar there, and you're going to hold it to the rightmost bar. But then you're going to switch it up a little bit. You're going to start on the left side on the right bar, and on the left bar you're going to start on the right side. So we're starting on the left side for this one, and we're going to do the same thing we did to get it in, like this. We're going to do that, but now you see it's out. We're actually going to do the other way to put it in. We're going to move it to the side, bring it up, slide it, and then just slide it in like that, and then it'll be solved. So here, one second, that was wrong way. Okay, this is the left bar scenario. So yet again, we hold it to the leftmost bar, which is the red one in this case, and we're going to start on the right side, like I said before. So you're going to do the same thing we do if it was on the right side. Slide it out, and then you just slide it in. It's really simple for me. I'd write some of these algorithms down for you guys. FYI, this is U, this is R, this is L, this is lowercase, any letter that it is, and this is B. So this is lowercase b, lowercase r, lowercase l, lowercase u, and this is b. So just same rotations, just without D, and like you'd think this is D and this would be F, but that's just moving B or U a certain way. But back to the tutorial. So you have a hazard symbol here. You're going to want to make hazard symbols if you have this. So say it was like this. You want to make a hazard symbol. So let's say turn it that way. We have hazard symbols on all of them if you have one on one, which I think is pretty cool. So if you turn it this way and it matches up color-wise, then for the algorithm, you're going to turn it this way. And if you turn it this way and it matches up, then for the algorithm, you're going to turn it this way. So in my case, I'm turning it this way. So I'm just going to bring R up and then turn it, and then just bring it down. And then turn it, bring it up, turn it, and bring R down. And then your cube will be solved. Now let me do this side. So I turned it this way. It matches up. So for the algorithm, I'm turning it this way this time. So you're going to do the same exact thing, except just turning it this way. So you're going to bring this up, across, down, across, up, across, down. And then you'll have a solved cube. Now this is a little something I like to call the parody. Yes, there is a parody on a 4x4. It totally stinks. And this is what the parody looks like. So the parody, so on this parody, it's where this side is matched up. So there's two bars right here, and they're both matched up. But then this side is flipped where its colors are supposed to be. So like the colors that are supposed to be in that side are like totally flipped. And same thing on this side, totally flipped. So what we're going to do on this algorithm is we can do any, or well, there's not really an algorithm. You can do any of the algorithms I just taught you, any. I prefer, since I'm right-handed, this one where we're doing the left bar and then bring it in, and then it brings you to this situation. Turn it this way. So we're turning it this way, and this one. I prefer that, but whatever you guys prefer, you can do any algorithm I just taught you, and then just solve the cube from there. So that's it for this Pyraminx tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and let's go. Junior Cuber out. Peace.